Hello friends, welcome to Idli Indulgence. In this channel, we explore the delicious world of South Indian dish called idlis. We have an interesting green recipe today. Let's go. In this video, I'm going to explore peas idli. I'm thinking of making it in two ways to see which one tastes better. One is just blanching the frozen peas and mixing it with the batter and cooking it. And the second method, I'm going to blanch the peas and crush them using the mortar and pestle and then mixing it with the batter and then cooking it. So let's see which one tastes better. Here I have frozen peas, like the store-bought frozen peas. I'm going to add a little hot water to blanch it and let it thaw a little bit. It's been a few minutes. The peas look really good. We can drain the water and we can prep the batter. I can smell the green earthy flavor from the peas. First, let's prep the normal version where I'm going to just add the peas to the idli batter with some salt for seasoning. Let's prep the second version. Adding a little bit of salt for seasoning. This is ready. Let's prep the mold. As usual, I have cooking spray. I'm gonna spray a little bit just to make it easy for it to get it out. This is ready. Let's cook.
15 minutes later.
I've let it cool down for a little bit. Let's do the tasting. First, we'll start with the normal version. It's really nice. The whole piece gives a nice texture, when you bite and chew into it, and it has that green earthy flavor, which is really nice. Now let's taste the crushed paste version. That's really good. Like the flavor is in each bite, since it's it's a paste mixed with the batter. I think the flavor has been incorporated really well into the idli. It's really nice. Both are really good. Overall, both turned out really well. I would give a solid 9 out of 10. I really like that green earthy flavor that you get from peas. And if I have to pick one, I would pick the paste version, because in that the flavor has been incorporated really well into the idlis. So I would pick that one. So Let's see how my wife reacts to it. You folks try it at home as well and let me know how it came for you in the comment section below. If you like these kind of videos and want to support me, please like, share and subscribe for more idli adventures. See you in the next video soon. Take care.